If your marketing still depends on you doing everything manually, you have no idea how many posts you're sending out, how many leads you're getting, you don't even know if your marketing's getting an ROI, you are way behind. It's 2026 and brands are using AI to scale their business faster than ever by using automation, AI, and simple tools that I'm going to break down for you today. And if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you the secret prompt we use that automates all of our marketing, tells us what to post, when to post, and how to actually get leads from our posts. Now, if you're new to my channel, I share my screen like this and I break down the 3 simple steps that you can actually copy and start implementing right away to actually get more leads and automate your marketing online. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years, worked with over 3,000 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here and check that out later. But this is video 1 of a series of 4 where I'm going to show you exactly how to truly automate your marketing. And if you can see here, I've got every single day planned out for our marketing. We know what to do on Monday. We know what to do on Tuesday, but I'm going to stop you right there. We are not doing it. AI is doing the marketing for us. If you want this exact system I'm sharing with you here, comment system down below and somebody from my team will send you our secret marketing system that generates over 3,000 leads per month. Okay, so let's take a look here. I'm going to share 3 things that you can use to truly automate your marketing. Step number 1 is going to be social media. Planning, scheduling, approving AI to post for social media and actually get you results. Social media posting, blogs, and videos should actually bring you more visitors, leads, and followers. The second thing I'm going to share with you today is automation follow-up. Nobody buys the first time they hear about you. So if you have heard anything about our theory and our branding with automation links, we believe you should follow up 24 times on 3 different platforms before someone trusts you. Now, you don't have time to manually email, text, call your leads. So you need to use AI to actually help write these emails, send the text, expert copywriting, persuasion, and ways to actually build a relationship with those leads. Last but not least, you need to put a little fuel on the fire. You need to run some ads. You don't have to spend a lot. And you also, like I said, with AI in 2026, you don't have to be an expert ads. You can use software tools and even AI to help you run your ads now. So you need to put a little money towards ads to retarget your visitors. So everyone that you brought in here from social media, you want to be able to retarget with ads so they don't forget about you. It's also a great way to attract your ideal customer in quicker. If you're running social media, it's going to take a lot longer to get the ideal customer in. You can run Google ads, YouTube ads, LinkedIn ads, even X ads to draw in that ideal customer, set up some retargeting, and actually follow up with them. Okay, now just a warning, this is the overview video. I'm going to be creating 3 more videos that break down each one of these topics. If you want to subscribe to the playlist, Automate Your Marketing, you'll be able to actually learn step by step how to truly automate it. Now, if you don't have time to do it and you're busy running your business, hire a freelancer. Use a software. You can even use the tools I show in today's video, but the goal is to actually automate it once and let it run on autopilot. All right, so the first step is the social media. And you can see here what we do is we feature a business every single day on our social media. So on Automation Links here, on all of our channels, we post a featured business twice a day. And the goal is to just build better relationships with our businesses that we work with. Now for you, you simply just want to come up with a social media strategy that you can follow and be consistent, even if it's just posting once a day. Then you want to use a software like this to actually auto post, schedule, get these out on a consistent basis. If you're just posting a few times a week and then you don't post for a month, you're going to lose that traction. Once you start posting, you want to start looking at your stats and you can go and look and see how many views you've gotten, how many comments you've gotten, how many new followers you've gotten on each channel. And the goal there is to just publish content, see what works, and then what doesn't work. And whatever works, keep making more content just like that. Like I promised, if you grab the link down below in the description, you'll get access to my social media calendar. I like to have theme days for my social media. Marketing Monday, Testimonial Tuesday, Winning Wednesday, my favorite, Throwback Thursday. Now you can feel free to come and edit these as you want. You can make each day your own. The goal is for you as the owner to approve your theme days and approve the templates of your social media posts, and then either use a freelancer, somebody on your team, or you can use AI to actually write these posts and publish them for you. And the goal is to just approve each day of the week one time, and then it can just run on autopilot. As an example, on Monday, we post our videos, our blogs, our podcasts, our LinkedIn posts, our Instagram, and our Facebook. And then Tuesday, a little bit different, Wednesday, a little bit different. And then you want to, once you get all that content out there, that's when you go to step 3 and actually start running ads to that. All right, so I want to encourage you to start scheduling, posting, create one template for the week, and just reuse that every single week. And you can use AI bots to do this. I know it seems overwhelming for you, but there is software. We're actually building our software to schedule and post all the social media for you. You can get on our wait list down below. Okay, step number 2, and we're going to dive into this, like I mentioned, a 3rd video of this series, but you need to make sure you have a couple things in place before you start posting and automating everything. You need to have your pixels in place. So a pixel is something that when somebody goes to your website, it's able to track who that person is. So then you can go retarget them. it also gives you buyer behavior. So if we look at the CRM, I can look at this content. And once you have your pixel in place, you'll be able to see every single page they visited, exactly where they came from, and all of the data from that person. So you can optimize your ads based off that. You know what to follow up with them because you know what they're interested in. And you just know if you have a sales team, if they're a good lead or not. It also helps with e-commerce businesses because you know which product they looked at. So you're able to send the right abandoned cart or follow-up emails to give them coupon codes and even build a better relationship because you know what product that they were interested in. Once your pixels are in place and your tracking is in place, I want to encourage you to start following up. Now we have templates here that are proven. I've got my founder's welcome email, the 9-word email, check-ins. There's even things to build better relationships like get them on the call. You'll be able to see different templates like abandoned cart. Now you can use something like ChatGPT to do this for you. You can grab our AI template and have it help you with this as well. But the goal is to go through and write a few emails that you'll approve. From there, you want to start sending them out and you want to start tracking. Is this email getting open? Is this email getting clicked? Now I do highly recommend using our plain text emails that we recommend. Sending out at least, like I said, 24 times if you got to follow up. You can send out at least 6 to 7 automated emails over the course of 2 to 4 weeks to really build that relationship and educate. And that's the last point here is every single one of these emails should truly educate your audience and not try to sell them. So the goal of the follow-up, once it's automated, is to just educate, educate, educate. And when they're ready to buy, they've learned from you, they trust you, they're going to come back and buy from you. So that's what I want to encourage you. Use the social media to attract the new leads. Use automation by sending emails, texts, DMs to follow up with them. And then we'll get to step 3 in just a minute. Now, the last point here is you want to build a couple email templates, but then what you need to do is train your AI. Once your AI is fully trained, you can even get on our waitlist. Like I mentioned here, you can find other softwares out there. You can even use ChatGPT. What they're going to do is they're going to start emailing, texting, calling, DMing all of your leads just like this. And what you want to do is really get them trained on your brand voice so then they know how to speak like you. You can go back and see the messages they're sending. You can ask them to edit it but this AI is coming fast. And if you're not using AI to follow up with all your leads by educating, you're going to be left behind. So you need to get on this quick. Okay, last but not least is step 3, where you're going to use ads to help you grow even faster. Now, you want to already have some sort of organic social media presence. So that's where I recommend starting with that. So you have your templated days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Consistency, you're always posting. So you look like a trusted brand. You are starting to build authority online. If somebody does see an ad, they need to go to your page and see that you actually are providing education and value to leads so they trust you. If they look at an empty page with no post and no followers, they're not going to trust you as much from an ad. So you need to be having that organic. You also don't want to start ads unless you know for sure your follow-up's in place, or else you're just going to waste money on these ads. If you are running ads and sending them to your site or to your profile and you have no retargeting in place, no emails, no SMS, then people are going to forget about you and you're just going to waste all that money. So now that you have your marketing system and marketing automation ready, which I'm going to help you with, whether you're doing it on your own in my feature videos or on our software, is using AI to actually do the automation marketing for you. Now you can start running ads. Now, when you run ads, you want to be omnipresent. If somebody sees your brand on all these different platforms, they instantly feel like you're the authority and they trust you. You will stick out above your competition. When you run these ads, you don't need to spend a lot. The goal is to spend a little to remind your ideal customers. I say try to get 1,000 people in your ecosystem, attract them with social media, emails, and ads, and then they're going to start trusting you. That's really all you need to be able to get a good ROI. Once you get 1,000 people retargeted 24 times on the 3 platforms, that's when you're going to be able to see the ROI from that to start investing more to get to 2,000, to 10,000, to 100,000 people that you're truly marketing to. Now for the ads, you want to set up 3 stages of ads: top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. This is where we see the best results. Top of funnel, you want to think of attracting. This is where somebody's never heard of you before. So on this top of funnel campaign here, you're going to say that this person, you want to think of your ideal customer. Where are they searching? What do they want? When do they have buyer intent? What are they searching for? And how can I show up as that? For me in my business, I know on a Google search, I want to show up for these keywords. So I just spend $5 a day. I know on a YouTube search, I want to show up for these keywords. So my YouTube videos just spend $5 a day. That's going to attract them, my ideal customer. Now I know once they watch a video or go to my website, now I can add them to middle of funnel to build a relationship. Top of funnel, I'm just trying to get them to follow, just trying to get them to engage, not trying to sell them yet. We only want to show them that ad about 2 to 3 times. Once they get pixel, now retarget them to build an education. And that's where you can do middle of funnel to show them videos, to provide value. You're still not trying to sell. You want them to start remembering you. I've seen them 2 or 3 times. Now they're going to see you 5 or 6 times. Now they're going to start to trust you and start to remember your brand and want to work with you when they're ready. Last but not least, once they've seen you those 5 or 6 times, you can start hitting them with bottom of funnel where you can actually try to sell them. You can get them to come back to your checkout page. You can get them to go to a lead magnet page. You can get them to DM you that they're interested in working with you. And this is where you can actually show it to them 5 or more times. So now they've seen you 11 times, on ads. And that's where we're going to get to that number 24, where they're going to see you 6 to 8 times through their emails. Hopefully they get a few SMS messages from you. They're going to see you on ads 11 times. They're going to see your organic posts if they followed you. And that's how you're truly going to be able to scale your business. All right, so I hope this video brought you value. And if it did, make sure to comment system so you can get access to our full marketing system. You'll also be added to our waitlist so you can truly start automating your marketing. And if this video did bring you value, it'd be really awesome if you subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. And then if you want to continue watching the rest of the series of 4 to really dive into each one of these 3 steps, check out and subscribe to this playlist here. So again, I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for watching the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.